eating, the servants pours water into each guest. That is repeated at the end of the meal. Next comes mint tea, thick and heavy, which is offered to each guest. When eating bread, Arabians use only their left hand and three fingers. The first course is a pale green soup consisting of almonds and fish. This is a concession to Europeans who cannot begin a meal without a soup. The second course, a whole roast lamb served intact and called mikul. The guests stir off pieces of this with their hands. When eating lamb, you should only use your right hand and three fingers. The third course is another roast lamb served with another sauce that differentiates it from the first. The fourth course, a pastilla that takes no less than 48 hours to prepare. This is a pie 3 feet in diameter. The last main course is called a couscous. This is considered the rice meal. It comes at the end of the meal. It is served last so that heavy eaters, those who are not yet satisfied, can fill up. The last course is generally the dessert. That is a cake stuffed in dates or sweet orange or tangerine.
Kumain ka din. Kam ka lang.
Kain! Okay na yan, okay na yan. Uy, okay na yan.
Ang gaganit kong malamig.
Bigay mo kay Earl, bagal ay.